2009.
2009, number of transactions 27, amount 704,928,792 and pesos and 32 centavos.
We would like to state for the record that for 2009, the net worth of the Vice President then was 18.281 million as stated in her 2009 SALN. Please proceed.
Both manifestations are noted by the committee.
2010, number of transactions 34, amount 648,582,662.40.
Before proceeding, I'd like to state for the record that for 2010, the net worth of the Vice President then was 16.242 million as stated in her 2010 SALN. Please proceed.
Manifestation is noted.
2011, number of transactions 26, 597,152,536 pesos and 97 centavos.
I'd like to state for the record that for 2011, the SALN net worth of the Vice President was 14.271 million as stated in her 2011 SALN.
Manifestation is noted.
Please proceed.
2012, number of transactions 15, the amount 407,875,524 and 23 centavos.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that the net worth of the Vice President for 2011 was 14,271 million as stated in her 2011 SALN. Please proceed.
Manifestation is noted.
2012, number of transactions 15, amount 407,875,524 pesos and 23 centavos. For 2013, number of transactions 14, amount 406,864,909 pesos and 28 centavos. 2014, number of transactions 15, amount is 252,427,031 pesos and 76 centavos. 2015, number of transactions 25, amount 85,141,813. 2016, number of transactions 13, amount 46,407,353 and 81 centavos. 2017, number of transactions.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that the net worth of the Vice President in 2016 was 34,895,000 as stated in her 2016 SALN. Please proceed.
In 2017, there are 22 transactions amounting 46,391,903 pesos and 32 centavos.
If I may interrupt, this is only up to 2015, the table which is shown on the screen.
On the other side po, Madam Chair.
To be clear, there's a third column po.
Yes, you may proceed, Honorable Ridon.
No, we can flash the table again.
Kindly flash the table.
No, to be clear po, there's a column, next column po. You can see 2016 in the next column.
The next column after 2015
Yeah.
should be 2016. Secretariat, please.
No, it's flashed on the screen, Madam Chair. It's correct. We can go back to that particular slide.
Is it on the right? Oh,
Yes,
okay.
it's correct, Madam Chair.
It's on the right side, 2016.
Yes. Are you done stating 2017 or no? Not yet.
2017, 22 transactions, 46,391,903 pesos and 32 centavos.
Before proceeding, Madam Chair, we'd like to state for the record that the net worth of the Vice President then for 2017 was 44,828,000 as stated in her 2017 SALN. Please proceed.
Manifestation is noted.
2018, number of transactions 26, amount 48,717,694 pesos and 84 centavos.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that the net worth of the Vice President then was 49,699,000 as stated in her 2018 SALN. Madam Chair, please proceed.
Manifestation is noted.
In 2019, number of transactions 34, the amount is 60,231,229 pesos and 77 centavos.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that the 2019 net worth of the Vice President was 55,613,000 as stated in her 2019 SALN. It is further noted that it was stated that she had no cash or deposits in that particular 2019 SALN. Please proceed.
Manifestation is noted.
In 2020, there are 29
Madam Chair, can I?
Honorable Diaz
Yeah,
Suarez.
I just didn't catch the manifestation of Kong Terry. Can you repeat that statement again?
Honorable Ridon.
Further, we state for the record that for 2019, it was stated there that there was no cash on hand or there was no cash deposits in our 2019 SALN. Madam Chair.
Am I right to hear no cash deposits
No cash deposits,
in
no
her
cash on
SALN?
hands in the SALN.
Thank you
Madam
very much
Chair.
for that clarification, Madam Chair.
Please proceed, ED, for 2020, please.
For 2020, number of transactions 29, the amount is 58,443,465 pesos and 89 centavos.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that for 2020, the SALN of the Vice President stated a net worth of 56,583,000 as stated in her 2020 SALN. Further, the SALN does not state cash on hand and cash deposits, Madam Chair.
Manifestation is noted.
Please proceed. 2021.
Quick interjection, Madam Chair.
Honorable Diaz-Guerin.
Just to be clarified, to compare the statement of our AMLAC Executive Director vis-a-vis the question of the Honorable Ridon, ang ibig po ba sabihin dito base sa dokumento ng AMLC or ng AMLAC, merong transaksyon or merong kaperahan at ito ay dumadaan sa bangko?
Tama po.
It's a yes.
Yes.
So hindi po pwedeng itong datos nyo ay hindi dumaan sa bangko.
Tama
Does
po.
it necessarily mean a bank or any financial company?
Banks po.
And Madam Chair, Congressman Ridon was earlier saying that in the SALN, it was mentioned cash deposit zero or walang laman. Did I hear it right, Madam Chair, from Cong Ridon?
Honorable Ridon.
There is, to be very clear, there is no line item that there is cash or cash on hand or cash deposits.
So my
in the
question, Madam
SALN.
Chair, to AMLAC, sigurado po ba kayo dun sa pinapakita niyong datos? Dahil sa SALN nakasaad na wala, tapos dito may sinasabi kayong meron. Are you sure of the figures?
Sure po. This
Thank
is
you,
based
Madam
on records, Madam Chair.
We may proceed to 2021. ED, please state the amounts.
For 2021, there are 30 transactions amounting to 52,893,074 pesos and 94 centavos.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that the net worth for 2021 of the Vice President was 65,308,000 as stated in her 2021 SALN. There's also no line item for cash and cash on hand, cash deposits in this particular SALN, Madam Chair.
The manifestation is noted.
Please proceed with 2022. ED.
2022 number of transactions 25, amount 41,668,247 and 94 centavos.